This new Panasonic top-loading washing machine features 3 key technologies. First is the easy wide opening. Since the front of the washer is low and the bottom of the tub is high, it's easy to load and remove laundry. And because the opening is so wide, it's easy to load and remove large laundry items. In addition, it's easy to keep clean the front top part, where detergent tends to cake. The second key technology is the active foam system, which generates fine foam for deeper cleaning. At the very beginning of the washing process, rapidly rotating fins fully dissolve the detergent and generate extremely fine foam. The foam enters the drum, where the ring showers cause it to agitate and penetrate deep into clothing fibers. In addition, the new pulsator shape creates powerful water flows that thoroughly mix the clothing. Since the clothing circulates so well inside the tub, even large loads are completely and consistently washed. The third key technology is EcoNavi. An EcoNavi washing machine knows how to be eco-friendly, automatically saving electricity and water. Over a half-century of manufacturing history and expertise go into every Panasonic appliance. Continuing to evolve, Panasonic top-loading washing machines with EcoNavi are the most advanced available today.
Panasonic.